Hey, welcome to Brain BICEPS.
Today's challenge is squeeze the word dot by half emoji. Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe Brain BICEPS channel for more interesting quizzes. Find first word by half emoji. Cherry. Can you find it by half picture? Orange. Can you find it by half picture? Grape. The end is very hard. Can you find it by half picture? Avocado. What is that? Apple.
The last is very hard.
It's easy. Banana.
Click like.
What is that? If you know this, write comment. Can you find it by half picture? Blueberry. Can you find it by half picture? It's peach. What is that? Lime. Write your favorite fruit. It's easy. Cucumber. What is that? Kiwi. Can you find it by half picture? Dragon fruit. Can you find it by half picture? Strawberry.
What is your favorite vegetable?
Can you find it by half picture? Pineapple. Can you find it by half picture? Melon. Can you find it by half picture? Pear. Which is delicious? What is that? Coconut. Can you find it by half picture? Tomato. Can you find it by half picture? Lemon. It's easy. Potato. Which fast food make from potato? Can you find it by half picture? Mango. Can you find it by half picture? Fag. Don't forget subscribe Brain BICEPS channel. Can you find it by half picture? Pomegranate. Can you find it by half picture? Apricot.
Hard level coming.
Find this fruit.
Comment your answer.